Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Shantani here. Today I'm very excited to share another 15-minute makeup challenge. I am going to do a tutorial inspired by stunning Shraddha Kapoor from the movie Nawabzaade. I'm not gonna tell you what product or shade you should buy because it depends on your skin type and color. Use whatever is handy for you, and that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just gonna tell you the products I used for this particular video and look. Before we start today's video, please take a minute to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay ahead and watch my videos as soon as they are up on YouTube. Also, don't forget to like, share and comment below because your opinion is very valuable. Off camera, I cleaned my face and now applying L'Oreal Visible Lift Foundation number 143 using MAC 190 series brush to blend it. The shade of my foundation looks way lighter than my original shade, but it will look better when I will be done because I'm going to do lots of contour on my face. Now using Magic by Prescriptives Illuminating Liquid Potion to get extra shine on highlighted areas. Now I am using True Blend pressed powder from CoverGirl to draw the contour. Bobbi Brown powder has been used to give an impression of strong cheekbones she has. I am gonna use the same powder to draw the eyebrow, nose and eye. The fold line of her eyelid is different than mine, so I had to draw it differently. I am showing where it is different than mine by this arrow. Follow the sharp nose line she has and then blend them with thicker brush or just use your finger, it's fine. Now I am using the black shade from Maybelline Eye Studio to draw the shadow on the corner of my eyelid. To highlight my eyelid, I am using NYX Roll-On Shimmer on inner half of my lid, then blending it. Now using silver shade from L'Oreal True Match Lumi to highlight the inner corner of my eyes, under the eyebrow, on my nose, and also the rest of the face where it should be highlighted. I didn't see any obvious blush on her cheeks, so I'm going to use pink hard candy glow instead. Now using my gel eyeliner, I wouldn't stretch the line too much because Shraddha's eyes are not too big. My makeup is almost done. I am wearing L'Oreal Jennifer's Nude 370. The final touch is mascara. You can use any brand you want. It doesn't really matter. The end result will look pretty similar. I am wearing Revlon Ultimate All-in-One Mascara. I did not wear extra lashes for this look because I wanted it to look natural, so just use mascara for it. Now just mildly wiping off all the extra silver powder, and the makeup is done. I wore a hair extension to mimic the look Shraddha has in the song. Shraddha was in the club in the song, so the makeup should look natural, yet it should have a little bling in it. Hope you like this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you want me to continue what I'm doing, then please subscribe to my channel below and click on the bell icon to stay connected. Please share your opinion and suggestion in the comment section below. Also like and share my videos. I'm coming every week with new videos, so stay tuned. See you next time. Bye.